stopping by my channel. So this video is going to be a really quick one. Today I wanted to share with you this 4-panel room divider that I ordered from Temu. This is the first time I ever ordered such a large item from Temu, so I thought it would make a really good video. If you're thinking about maybe ordering furniture or larger items from Temu. So as you can see, I have these 3 windows in my living room, and you see this really ugly radiator right in front of the middle window, and it's not even functional. I live in a really old apartment, and this is just there right smack dab in the middle of the wall. And I got this room divider from Temu because I wanted to put something in front of the windows to kind of block the sun, but also provide somewhat of a backdrop for when I do try on hauls or videos where I have to appear on camera. So I got this for $56.93, and it actually shipped from a local warehouse, which I thought was another great aspect to try out with you guys. If you haven't seen on Temu, they have a lot of things that actually ship from local warehouses now, so it'll come a little bit faster than if it comes directly from China. So this room divider shipped from a warehouse in California, which I am in New Jersey, so it took about a week. According to my records here, it says I ordered it on June 24th and it arrived on July 1st. So I think that's like, what, 6 or 7 days? And it did ship via FedEx. So as soon as it shipped, I think it shipped the next day after I ordered it, and I was able to track it and get an expected delivery date. So I did check around on the internet on other websites to see if I could find this room divider elsewhere, and I did find it on Amazon for $84.38, and someone's even selling this for $156.57 on Walmart. So I think I got a really good deal, especially since it's so heavy of an item. So you can see it was really easy to get out of the box. It took me maybe about 2 minutes, and it just opens up accordion style. It's not super heavy. It is pretty lightweight, so that's good for me because if I want to move it around, put it someplace else, it'll be easy for me to move. Probably if you have little kids, it might not be the best because you might run the risk of them knocking it over. But fortunately for me, I don't have that kind of a problem. I just have my senior citizen cat, and he's too tired to be running around and trying to knock things over at this point. So here is a close-up of the divider. Did a little slow motion action for you guys. It came in really good condition. I was a little bit worried about maybe it might get damaged in shipping, but it was perfectly fine. No damages. It looks pretty good. If you notice, it looks like it might be crooked, but that's my apartment, the floors are crooked. So it's not the divider, it's the room. So I put my table in front to test out my little area here. I have some things I'm working on. Maybe I might film that later. So I couldn't really think of a good ending for this video. So if you do have any questions for me, please feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. And I hope you guys all have a really great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.